Now, Terraform is available on all major operating system platforms. So that's Windows, Mac, and Linux. I have here open the Terraform installation page on the Terraform website. Now, all you need to do is you need to find your operating system and then follow the instructions for installing Terraform. If you scroll down, and at the time of this recording here, you have the tabs and you can install Terraform in different ways. So if you want to install Terraform using a manual installation, you can retrieve the binary and install it that way. Or if you're on OS X, you can install it using Homebrew, and if you're on Windows, you can install it using Chocolatey. Now, depending on the platform that you're on, you're going to follow different instructions. So follow the instructions on here and install Terraform for your operating system. Now, to check that you've installed Terraform and it's successfully installed, you need to run a simple command from your terminal. So if you're on Windows, it's going to be the command line. So you simply run Terraform -help and then you hit return. Now, when you run this command, it should list all of the available Terraform subcommands, and if you see this, that means Terraform has successfully installed on your system.